Hi, I am Daniela Beta, and I am going to talk to you today about something that most women don't want to talk about. They don't want to admit to, but I'm telling you, it's life-changing. You need to do it. And that is tinkling or dermaplaning your face at home using a disposable tinkle razor like this. It comes in a package like this. You can actually get like 6 of these for $12 on Amazon. The only other thing you're going to need is some cotton rounds or cotton balls and whatever your favorite toner is. I like Thayer's, the lemon, but I also love Saint's toner too. I just don't have that at my desk. Both of them have witch hazel, which has antibacterial properties, and you're going to want that. So you're going to see, I like to start at my forehead and I pull my skin taut. And I just lightly, at a 45-degree angle, go in slow motion, small strokes, and get any of that peach fuzz and dead skin that can cause our makeup to sit funny or cause our skincare not to absorb as well. That's what I go after. And if you guys have ever done this, you know that your skin is so soft afterwards. It's so exfoliated. I go around any breakout. If you could see stuff flying, that's actually like dead skin. And I exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. So nobody is immune from dry skin and needing to exfoliate. So you're always going to go in the direction of the hair growth when possible. I know sometimes it's hard to find which way the hair is growing. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to this side. You guys are gonna see such a big difference in the way your makeup applies, in the way your skincare absorbs. I want to tell you guys, this is nothing to be embarrassed about. Everybody has peach fuzz all over their whole body, with the exception of the palms of their hands and the soles of their feet. Everyone has it. As we get older and our hormones change, we get more, or sometimes it could be darker, and it just doesn't make your skin look as smooth. So I tend to get some like right here. Done. So now what you're gonna do is take your cotton pad. See how fast that was? And it is the easiest thing ever, and I promise you're gonna love how your skin looks after you do it. I just take a little bit of my toner on a cotton pad, and I just go over those areas that I tinkled. Now I didn't do my nose because I forgot, but you could definitely go over your nose too. These razors are disposable. If you clean them with an alcohol pad or like 90% alcohol, you can probably get away with using them like 2 or 3 times. I wouldn't use them more than that. They're super cheap, so it's not a big deal to get new ones. And there you go. Now you're ready for your skincare. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I shaved my face. Hello. If you have questions, go ahead and send me a DM, and stay tuned and make sure you're following for more beauty tips and tricks.